Okay, Etsy friends, we are hopping into the summer season, and now is the best time to start thinking about how you want to prepare your shop for the fall. And I know fall feels like it's a million years away right now. Today is my kid's last day of school. But when we're thinking about the summertime, this is a great opportunity to start considering new products to add into your Etsy print on demand shop. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you one of my very favorite products from Printify that I more recently started selling in my Etsy shop. Welcome to this week's Coffee and Cha-Chings. My name is Emily. I'm a busy mom of two young kiddos who somehow found herself in this world of entrepreneurship very unexpectedly. And I come from a background in education, so I love helping others be able to start, grow, and scale their own Etsy print on demand shops. And if you are looking for weekly, practical, honest tips about print on demand, don't forget to hit like or subscribe below so you don't miss a single weekly video. Now, this is a product that honestly I kind of avoided for a little bit of time because there is definitely a learning barrier to understanding the best way to sell this product. I am talking about Printify's beautiful woven blanket. Now, I just got a sample of this in the mail and I am honestly obsessed. So are my kids. They have loved cuddling with this blanket already. But before we dive into the amazingness that is woven blankets, I want to do a few things. First, I'm going to show you where the demand is on Etsy. Second, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what you need to know before selling these woven blankets in your Etsy shop, because there are a few things you need to know. And third, I'm going to be giving you some design tips if you plan on adding these to your shop. All right, before we dive into the demand really quick, I do want to say I am so impressed with this sample. I mean, honestly, it is so well made. This is a very, very premium product. The colors look incredible. The feeling of it feels incredibly luxury. And I am just honestly a bit obsessed and can't wait to be adding more of these to my shop, especially as we prepare for the holiday season. All right, so I'm over here on Etsy, and I just wanted to show you really quickly how the demand is absolutely wild for these woven blankets. One of the areas that I am seeing them be a major hit is especially in the nursery or baby blanket space. These make for a beautiful, beautiful baby blanket, especially if you're thinking about a baby shower gift for someone. And I'm using the Everbee extension here, which is my favorite research tool, as you know. And on the screen here, you can see how old this listing is. And for example, this one's only 3 months old, already a bestseller. Scrolling down here, you can see some of these listings. This one is only 2 months old and selling about 42 times per month and is a bestseller as well. And you can see there are multiple nursery blankets that are bestsellers selling regularly with these woven blankets. Now, some other spaces that we are seeing on Etsy for these woven blankets are anniversary gifts or even like dog gifts or wedding gifts. You can see here a personalized blanket anniversary gift that's only 4 months old, selling over 56 times per month and a bestseller. And this one here is a wedding slash dog cross niche woven blanket. And this one's only 6 months old and selling about 22 times per month. You'll also see these a lot when it comes to photo gifts, and especially with Etsy's new personalization option where they can upload the file for you, it's making it easier than ever to do photo personalization. So there is a lot of demand on Etsy for these woven blankets, and this is only the tip of the iceberg for the opportunity in this space. Okay, so we have established that there is plenty of demand for the woven blankets on Etsy, but as I mentioned at the beginning, these products are not quite like all the other ones on Printify. And why is that? The first thing I want you to know is that this product is not printed. So you might be familiar with other products where they print direct to garment, or maybe it's a candle label, but the woven blankets are actually literally woven. And so the coloring is going to look quite a bit different. This is the back of the blanket. So you can see that it's actually woven with all these different colors together. And you can also see that on the fringe as well, all the different woven pieces here. So what's important to know about this is that your design is going to look a bit different. It's not like if you're printing on a t-shirt or you're printing on a journal where it's going to copy right as it is from your computer screen. Because it is woven, that is going to appear different. So I want to talk you through my sample, and I tried some different elements on the sample. And I want to show you what worked and what didn't work. So, first, I want to show you the color palette that I got printed here. And I recommend, first of all, getting a sample of this and doing something similar so you can test out what the colors actually look like. You can order a sample directly on Printify. But you can see here that the colors did turn out really nicely, but they do look a bit different. And I'll flash up on the screen what this exactly looked like as my PNG file versus what it's looking like on the blanket. The other thing is I tested a variety of fonts from Canva, and honestly, most of them turned out really, really well. And I was very surprised even by the thinner fonts. I would recommend sticking with a thicker font on these to be safe. But overall, I was really impressed. I had that all printed in black and it turned out super nice. The other thing I tested was a pattern with a text on top, and honestly, I was super impressed with how this turned out. I did a green gingham pattern and then did the font on top of it, and honestly, I was super, super excited about this. I also tested a blue toile pattern, and it did turn out a little bit different than it looked on the computer, but it still looks really, really beautiful in person, and I was super excited about how this turned out on the blanket. Now, what didn't work when it came to this sample? And I will say, I intentionally added this graphic just to give you a visual. I knew that this would not print as well as it could, but I had a pastel watercolor soccer ball with a light pink bow printed on top of stripes. Now, you can kind of see it, and from further away, you can make it out a little bit, but up close, it definitely is very faded and hard to see. So when you are picking elements for these woven blankets, you want to make sure that they are something that is going to be bold and very easy to print and visual instead of maybe something that's a lighter pastel watercolor look. But the stripes did turn out nice, but the soccer ball itself is something you want to be cautious of when you are picking your graphics. So if you are thinking about adding woven blankets to your shop, and you absolutely should consider it, especially as you're prepping your shop for the fall, I want you to remember a few things when it comes to your designs. First, I would recommend ordering a sample, especially a sample that has different colors and text on it, so that you can really see what this looks like up close and know what works and what doesn't. Second, I would focus on bold, simple designs. I would make sure that your graphics are a color that can be woven onto these blankets. Printify does provide a guide for you about which colors they recommend, and they give you a color chart as well that I do recommend sticking to. Third, I would recommend avoiding super fine details. I would make sure, again, that your graphics are nice and bold and big. And fourth, don't forget to do your research. As we did earlier on Etsy using Everbee, you want to make sure that you're designing for areas where these blankets are in demand. Right now, we are seeing them hot, hot, hot in the nursery and baby blanket space, anniversaries, weddings, pets, photo gifts, etc. But make sure to do your research beforehand. All right, my overall impression of this woven blanket is I am honestly super impressed. As I said, I kind of avoided it for a little while because there was a bit of that learning barrier, figuring out the colors and figuring out what would print. And I'm kind of kicking myself now for avoiding it for so long. I feel like now it is a great product to start thinking about adding into your shop before that big holiday rush later this year. And I'm excited. We're diving into summer. I am going to be doing more product reviews throughout the summer. So I would love to know from you, what products do you want to see? I will be ordering samples all summer so that I can share those reviews with you and let you know what things you need to be aware of when you're thinking about adding those to your shop. So go ahead and drop a comment below with any products you would love for me to review in the next couple months. Again, my name is Emily. I look forward to seeing you next time.